What's you doing, Rich? An update?
Yeah, I'm over the moon with updates, mate.
This week, especially Windows 10 ones.
Yeah. Oh, it's still fucking updating now, even half an hour later, look. Then again, if we had any fucking internet.
Yeah, we have got quality internet here, haven't we? Shame we can't map that.
Yeah.
Pops and bags is what it needs.
Or maybe like, maybe BT could actually provide us with the internet that they promised that they provide us.
That's right, BT, if you're watching, you are abysmal. How are you getting on, Richard? Getting on all right?
Stressful.
Stressful. I know the Flash Pro takes longer to actually boot to the ECU, doesn't it, than the Ecutek stuff?
Yeah, it writes the whole file, not just the...
Not just the bit you've altered.
Yeah, it writes the whole file to it, so then it takes time. Whereas with the, with the Honda on the EP3, it just loads almost instantly within like a couple of seconds. It's on, and the same with the ECU text. It only loads the area in which you've changed. This seems to flash the whole file, so it takes
it takes a while.
30 seconds or so to run through it.
Which is all right, but you've got to make like 20-30 adjustments each time you're doing this. Just takes its time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's a little box of tricks. So there we go. We've finished with this FN2 today, mapping it, and we have got ourselves 201 at the wheels, which is 237. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's speak to Richard about the mods. So what mods have we done to this then, Richard? Because it's been here over a day.
It has indeed.
It has indeed.
Mods that this car had already got was inlet manifold, bigger throttle body. It already got a manifold decat, 2.5 inch exhaust system already on it.
Sure, 2.5 inch exhaust.
We haven't done any of that. It already got 410 injectors fitted to it with different fuel rail, still non-return system, but nevertheless. Got induction kit, or large bore induction kit already on it.
Which is hybrid racing.
Yeah, it was hybrid racing, and that was already on. Already mapped on Flash Pro. Our job was to fit FD2 oil pump, FD2 cams, and basically, get all that side of things done.
And get it mapped, yeah.
And get it mapped back up.
It's a nice car and it's done well.
Yeah, it certainly has.
Yeah, so another one in the bag. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Drop some comments. Let me know what you do with your FN2. It's good to hear from you all. Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will.
We will. We will indeed. Say it. That's your catchphrase.
What?
You've got to say "we will indeed."
Right,